Hello everyone, today we got a Wafi robot vacuum machine. He does three things: mopping, vacuum, and etc. So here we are going to unbox it. This is it. So my husband will bring it out, and here there is remote control, charger, and came with the battery, and those are the brushes or broom, and this is the mop. And here there's some instruction for the dustbin, you know, how to use it. It's really nice. And here is for mopping, where you can put the liquid, and this one is the charging charging and discharging post. How do they call it? So here we're just trying to go through it and see how it works, you know. I'll try to fix the broom. Now I'm just going to on it to see how it works. I've already placed it there on the floor. Ooh, this is really good. Ah, the technology has the no, 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 don't go to the rug. Come back. Ooh, it's going, just sweeping everywhere. We're trying it though. Hey, oh, keep going, keep going. Bah. Oh, just like that. We've not really programmed it, you know. It's just working on itself, working by itself rather. Then later, my child is just running around like, oh, what's this? What's this? You know, she was a little bit scared. The robot is just detecting, you know, the whole area, you know. But I don't think this works on the rug. So here is where to charge it. Where the robot discharge and also come back and stay there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please follow, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.